If you want to know how you can enter safe mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to enter into safe mode, first of all just open the power menu on your tablet. Now you can do that by just pressing and holding on the power button, and after you do that the power menu will appear on the screen. But for some reason if the power button is not working on your tablet, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon. Now after you open the power menu, now just tap and hold on the power off icon. And after you do that, you will find the option of safe mode on the screen. Now just tap on safe mode and your tablet will restart, and after it finishes restarting, you will enter into safe mode. Now as you can see, our tablet has finished restarting. Now if I go to the home screen, as you can see, we have successfully enabled safe mode on our tablet, just like that. And this is how you can enable safe mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.